Ina is angry with her boyfriend, or should I say ex-boyfriend. Her anger and humiliation is so intense that her eyes begin to glaze, but proudly holds back the tears as she gives him a piece of her mind.
What are you doing? I mean, as if it's your... No, joke.
Wala ginana. Sama kayo, di ba niya ayaw na lagi.
Ano ba yan?
What you think
Sir,
you're doing?
Sir, oh.
Focus siya sa camera.
Okay, one, two,
Basang din.
betrayal.
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 What do you think?
What?
Fem.
Betrayal.
Betrayal. What do you think you're doing? I mean, I wasn't bad enough to ask Jeannie out of the date behind my back, but I had to find out about it from Shannon, who couldn't wait to throw it in my face. I was so humiliated. I could have died. I thought we were supposed to be going out. Is it that you told me Monday? Whatever happened to Tina, you're different from other girls. Or I feel like I can tell you anything. Or I knew you were special the first time I saw you. Were you just playing me? What do you want from me? No. You know what? I don't even care. This whole thing was just a pathetic lie to satisfy your ego, wasn't it? Or I mean, you don't have even the decency to make before you jump into something else. I couldn't even look at you. Okay, I admit it. You got me. So take your little trophy, add me to your collection, and get out of my life.